Okay, Prithviraj, so let's proceed ahead with your mock interview for assistant engineer job in West Bengal Public Service Commission. So I think you're going for this job, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So Prithviraj, I want you to introduce, but that too in Bengali. So over to you, Sudeshna ma'am. Please proceed ahead from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, নমস্কার পৃথুরাজ। So, তো তুমি এই জয়েন করবে, হয়তো এখন একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন, একটা ভিডিও, মানে একটা বলো যে তুমি কোথা থেকে পাস করেছো, কি করেছো। মানে তুমি তো সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, যেমন স্যার আমার বললেন। তো তুমি এটা জাস্ট একটা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি একটা বলো যে তুমি কি তোমার সম্বন্ধে একটু বলো, তা আমরা একটু শুনি।
ম্যাম, আমার নাম পৃথুরাজ। আমি বিটেক করেছি টেকনো ইন্ডিয়া সল্ট লেক থেকে। আমি এমটেক এখানে আমি এমটেক করছি আইটি রোপার থেকে। আমার বাবার নাম সুকুমার মন্ডল। উনি পেশায় একজন কৃষক। আর আমার মায়ের নাম মীরা দেবী। উনি একজন পেশায় একজন শিক্ষিকা। আমার হবি ছবি আঁকা। আর
আচ্ছা, টেকনো ইন্ডিয়া সল্ট লেক খুব ভালো। আমি নেতাজি সুভাষ থেকে পাস করেছি, তো খুব ভালো। আর আইআইটির ওপারেও পড়ছো বলছি। আর তুমি কোথায় থাকো, মানে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে কোথায় থাকো?
ম্যাম, এখন আমি ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল থাকি না ম্যাম, আমি বিহারে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, তাহলে তুমি ছবি আঁকো, তো তোমার কিরকম, মানে সেই সময় পাও? তুমি তো দেখছি তোমার পুরো ওয়ালে বই খাতা পেস্ট আছে, মানে আমিও এরকম করি আর কি জিনিসপত্র। সময় পাও, মানে পড়াশোনার মধ্যে একটু হবির জন্য টাইম বার করো, সেরকম কিরকম হবে?
ম্যাম, জাস্ট ফর entertainment purpose, ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, তো তুমি হ্যাঁ, বলছি তুমি সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং নিয়ে পড়েছো তো? তো এবার ধরো তুমি এই চাকরিটা সাপোজ পেলে, ঠিক আছে, তো তুমি কিভাবে লোককে সাহায্য করতে চাও? মানে ধরো তুমি সাপোজ পেয়ে গেছো, একদম শান্তভাবে বলো যে তুমি পেয়ে গেছো, খুব খুশি মনে বলো, তো তুমি কিভাবে লোককে সাহায্য করতে চাও এই তুমি আফটার মানে জয়েনিং আর কি?
ম্যাম, যদি আমি জব পেয়ে যাব, তখন আমি খুব প্রবলেম আছে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল में, जैसे like flood when there is rainy season में, তাহলে আমি ওটা প্রবলেম দূর করব। আর আমি হেল্প করব, जैसे मतलब like I will strict all department to maintain the road and like that.
আচ্ছা, তুমি এই সাইটটা তুমি জয়েন করবে, তুমি সাইট টাইট গুলো ভালো করে দেখেছো? মানে মানে যেখানে মানে তোমার মানে কিরকম ব্যাপার সাইটটা, বা যেমন তুমি জয়েন করবে ধরো, তার আগে যেমন একটু ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড চেক ধরো আমরা করে নিই, তো আমাদের যদি জিজ্ঞাসা করে সাপোজ, সেগুলো তুমি করেছো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, আমি তো কাজ করলাম না, কিন্তু সাইটে দেখা আমাকে ভালো লাগে। আমি অবজার্ভ করছি সাইটে এন্ড ম্যাম, কিন্তু কাজ করলাম না।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। Sir, Vijendra sir, anything?
So let me. So Prithu, you are from Bihar. Which part in Bihar?
Purnia district.
Pune. So why you are interested to work in West Bengal state government?
Actually, I'm not choosy about selective about places, sir. Actually, I have always already mentioned that my father is a farmer and I'm not financially strong. So what I need a job to help our family for financial support.
So which department did you say is your favorite? Which department do you want to join?
PWD or irrigation department.
Okay. So
but I have chosen all 4 departments.
Okay, Prithu, because you are from farming community, from farming family. how can you contribute into irrigation department? If I ask you, you must have seen the problems of
Yes, sir.
irrigation. So
Yes,
how do you
sir.
want to contribute as assistant engineer in this department?
Sir, actually, if we are talking about West Bengal, there are a lots of rainfall. We can conserve that water and used in irrigation, and like that, I can help the people help the people of farmers, so that he can save their money with rainwater.
Okay, okay. So Vikram sir, I think you can ask him something related to department.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hi, Prithviraj. How are you?
Thanks, sir.
Prithviraj, your voice is not clear to me properly.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
how are you,
actually,
Prithviraj?
Ruchin sir also told that my voice is not proper, but I don't know.
So
Okay,
make,
okay. Right now
make,
it's okay.
make sure it improves. Maybe sometime, you know, your earplug is not good. Maybe you have to replace that. So Prithviraj,
sir, I
after
have-
this, yeah.
I have ordered new earphones, sir.
Okay, Vikram sir.
Prithviraj, you choose 2 department or 4 department? PWD, irrigation, and which one third?
Rural development or sir, health department.
Okay.
Public health
What is mean by
department.
duty?
Yes, sir.
What is mean by duty?
So duty is sir. It is related to irrigation. In what if we applied 1 meter cube 1 cubic water, then how much it can irrigate areas that is called duty, sir. In base period, sir.
Okay. Okay. We provide minimum steel in RC beam.
Yes, yes, sir.
So, what is the reason why we are providing minimum steel in this RC beam?
Sir, for it's for ductility purpose, and for we provide minimum reinforcement because of there are few reasons. One is there can be uneconomical if we provide more steel, or the second is sir, there would be means there will be more steel because of what their compaction can't be done, sir, properly. Yes.
Okay. Beam is what kind of member? It is compression member or anything else?
Compressive members. The compressive
Beam
bending members, flexure member.
Bending member. And column?
Columns are compressive member.
Okay. And what is the compressive strength of your concrete as compared to its tensile strength?
Oh, sorry, sir.
The compressive strength of concrete as compared to its tensile strength. Is there any values or percentage wise, or
Yes,
what do you
sir.
think? The compressive
Yes, sir.
strength
Yes,
is
sir.
less or more?
Sir, compressive strength is 10% of tensile strength, sir. Tensile strength is 0.7 root under FCK, and 0.67, sir. 0.7 root under FCK, and 10% of that is compressive strength.
Rituraj, be calm and repeat your answer again. What is the compressive strength of concrete?
Sorry, sir. Tensile strength is 10% of compressive strength, and compressive strength is 0.7 root under FCK. Yes, sir, 0.7.
What is this value 0.7 root FCK?
Yes, sir.
You said 0.7 root FCK. What is this?
FCK is characteristic strength, sir, which is a value when within what only 5% of material can fail with that value.
Okay. Characteristic strength of what?
Sir, concrete, sir.
Are you sure this is concrete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You must heard about modulus of rupture.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the formula for the calculation of modulus of rupture of concrete?
Modulus of rupture is also called modulus of rigidity, sir. Formula for in terms of what, sir?
Suppose we have to calculate the modulus of rupture of concrete, then how will you calculate? And you have the grade of concrete also.
Sorry, sir. Grade.
You have the grade of concrete. I am giving you grade is M25.
Yes, sir. Then there is a formula TYR TYL G theta YL, sir. From there we can calculate this, sir.
Just take paper and pen and write on it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm asking the modulus of rupture for concrete as per IS 456.
Modulus of rupture of concrete. Modulus of rupture of concrete, sir.
IS 456 का नाम सुने हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
IS 456 is for what?
Sir, it's the code for construction, sir, in RCC.
What about PCC?
PCC is PCC, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, also for PCC, sir.
Also for PCC.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure for both PCC and RCC or only for the RCC?
Actually, both, sir.
Okay. Okay, what is the under-enforced beam?
Under enforcement, sir. Actually, we used to design for under enforcement beam because because it gives sufficient warning that the beam can be failed, sir.
What is the primary failure in under-enforced beam?
Primary failure in under enforcement means there will be failure of tensile zone. That is a secondary, sir. Secondary failure. Secondary failure.
Secondary failure. Are you sure secondary failure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second thing, we have one is over-enforced section and second one is under-enforced section. Which sections offer higher deflection?
Higher deflection. There would be higher deflection for sir under enforcement. Under reinforcement. Sir.
Why?
Sir, because in the over enforcement there would be failure of concrete first then would be there more deflection, sir.
Okay, so last question, what is dead storage?
Dead storage, sir. It's in the dam. It's in the dam, sir, in which we can for fishing below what we avoid water levels, sir.
What is the use of this dead storage?
Dead storage is used for fishing, sir, like any aquatic animal don't die, sir.
Okay, yeah, Vijayendra sir.
Okay. So, Prithviraj, you are look like you're interested in PWD department, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the name of PWD ministry in West Bengal?
No, sir.
Have you heard the name of Molay Ghatak?
No, sir.
No, you're not?
Sir.
Okay, so have you visited our website? Have you visited our website of PWD department at this West Bengal? No?
No, sir.
Okay. So you know what kind of...
But
So
how do you know?
How do you know what activities you are supposed to do as assistant engineer?
Sir, as an assistant engineer, I will I will work with honesty, I will do my job I will. Sir, there is a lots of problem like road construction, sir. Road used to fail within.
Okay, tell me your responsibilities related to the road construction activities in Panchayati Raj domain. You know, there is something like which is called Panchayati Raj.
Yes, sir. I know that, sir.
You know something about Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana?
Yes, sir.
What do you know?
Sir, it was sir, in previous under PMY Yojana, sir, it was mentioned that within 2003, sir, population having population having 20,000, sir, 2 lakhs, sir, something I don't know, sir. I forgot, sir. Will be joined or within 2007 it will be joined. Village having low population.
Okay. So I think we can give you the feedback now. So I come first to Sudeshna ma'am. Sudeshna, how is this Bengali? Prithviraj is
Yes,
from
sir.
Bihar.
No. Yes, he said well. So you are you are in calm and poised way. So you don't need to worry about all this. You about the technical part, sir will give you the feedback. But for me, your Bengali is well, and you are calm. That the best thing I liked about this interview, that you are calm and poised. You are not anxious like most of the people. Like when I went to interview first time in Johnson Controls, I got rejected just because I was so nervous I could not say anything. So that's the best thing I liked about this interview and you, is that you are so calm and you are not afraid, you are giving answers. So just one thing, that earphone, I think sir was having trouble to listen. So just for the next time when you are going for the actual interview also, just have proper earphone and connectivity. Try to do that, because we know we all have some certain problems at home, and so but still try to avoid all this so that your voice can be more clear to us. But you are good. You are very good with.
So is it Bengali? Is a formal way, or is speaking in informal way?
Yes. No. Yes. It's Bengali is in formal way.
I have learned within 1 month time, so there can be.
So Prithu, Bengali was part of your school curriculum or what?
No, sir. Within 1 month, I have learned, sir.
Within 1 month.
Yes, sir.
So from how?
But you are Bengali.
Actually,
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Prithu, your surname is Mandal, right?
Mandal.
So you are Bengali. So you
no,
don't speak Bengali
no,
at
in
home?
Bihar, Mandal is a title of Purni, sir. Purni, and even Nitish Kumar, Chief Minister of is Purni Mandal. His title is Mandal.
Okay.
So you learned this
Then you
entire
are
Bengali
quite
in
good.
1
Like
month.
within 1 month,
Yes,
you
Good. That is impressive.
so it's
So
quite good.
on your own, you have learned, Prithu?
sir. I have a girlfriend from Velur, sir.
Okay. So that is difficult for people, old people like us to do. But yes, we will learn it from you. Prithviraj,
No, sir.
great.
No,
That is
sir.
great. Okay, that's great. Okay, Vikram sir, please go ahead and give your feedback.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, Rituraj.
Sir.
As you said, PWD and irrigation department, that are the major departments. So let me tell you, in PWD, mostly the work is with your concrete and road construction, mostly.
Yes, sir.
So what I asked first question regarding the duty, that is a part of irrigation.
Yes,
So
sir.
your answer was okay, and no issue with that one. But there should be clarity in answer. There should be
Sir.
clarity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So area in term of hectare.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And second
Yes, sir.
thing, the question which I asked about the dead storage is a mostly asked question. And that storage में जो water retain होता है, the water retain in the dead storage part
Sir,
is
can
also
be
used for the
pollution free, sir.
sorry.
सर इवन इट कैन बी मतलब कोई भी उसमें प्रोडक्ट वो बायोलॉजिकल वो ना सारी नहीं सर, इसके लिए भी करते हैं डेड स्टोरेज।
हाँ, एक तो सिल्ट को बाहर निकालने के लिए भी यूज होता है, सेकंड हम डेड स्टोरेज का वाटर यूज करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन के लिए आल्सो फॉर कन्वर्जन।
यस सर।
And what I asked about the models of rupture, and you went from where to where? Simple thing I asked about the IS 456, that is a Bible for the civil engineering. Models of rupture is nothing but 0.7 root FCK.
Yes, sir,
okay, and FCK is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete cube, not only
yes,
concrete.
Cube, yes, sir.
The concrete cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the rest part is okay, as your Bengali was good. Although I'm also dealing with the Bengali peoples, but as Vijender sir also said, we have to learn from you also. Okay, all the best, Prithviraj.
Prithviraj has done marvelous job. Prithu, you need to, other than Bengali, you need to learn the departments also, like who is the minister, how many districts, right?
I have something like that, sir.
So if you go on internet, you find out PWD department, irrigation department, just see the ministers.
Okay,
ministers and secretaries of these departments, and visit the website.
yes,
They normally ask you, have you seen our website? Because nowadays they keep on putting many things on the website and they expect you to see the website, right? So please do that and remember the name of the ministers and all. on the website. To visit the website, how many districts are there, and what activities do you think you will do? Panchayati Raj, lot of activities going on with Panchayati Raj. Rural road infrastructure is to be developed. So normally junior engineer is in actually activity with the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. There's a Panchayat secretary and all, right? So just know about that, because if you are interested to work in the village area, this is what you should know.
Okay, can you get a document from your side, sir? Once you get it.
So I can provide it. Yeah, I can do that. I can provide the
Yes,
document
sir, I
from
have
my side.
already
Yeah.
asked. Yes, sir.
That will be a good idea, but that will not replace your effort. You
The day
have
after
to
tomorrow, sir. Day after tomorrow, I have interview, sir. And
your final
after this-
interview is day after tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll send you some document. But at the same time, you visit these websites. All the best.
I'll say you all the best.
Oh, thank you.
All the
Thank
best
you.
for your interview. We wish you all the luck. Okay.
Thank you. ma'am.
We
Okay,
hope you
Pritu.
get it.
Okay, Pritu, then thanks a lot. And I'm sending you that document, right? Today. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, Vikram sir. Reshna,
you, sir.
thanks a lot. Thank you.